This one a very, very serious matter. Pastor Paul Adefarasin. Now they say they see with gun allegedly to wait a threaten a content creator. Normally, content creator for this Lagos, when they see flashy cars and they follow you everywhere to record your car and everything. Me particularly, they happen to me every single day when I dey go work. I dey see them today. So the way people mount on my car, I dey see them all the time. But for a known pastor, a popular pastor of House of the Rock, Pastor Paul Adefarasin, now that church go me or they go to bring out gun allegedly to threaten a content creator is baffling. A lot of people have responded to this. VDM have responded to this. Daddy Freeze have responded to this, and many others. But I'll take some of them on this particular video. Let's take this together.
Alright, so someone tagged me to this video on Tunde North page and said the founder of House on the Rock, Paul Adefarasin, pulled out a gun on a content creator. So the first thing I did, I said, are you sure? I watched the video, and to be very honest, I had to check, is it true that it is Paul Adefarasin? Now, if you look at it, you see that there's a close resemblance. So it looks like it's Paul Adefarasin. That's number one. Number two, is that actually a gun? I had to zoom in to be sure. And honestly, this looks like a pistol, which is very, very disturbing if it is a pistol. And this is where the police need to do an investigation, I beg. But that pistol, because I know for the fact that pistol is not legal in Nigeria. They don't give you license for pistol. They only give license for revolver. Now, this video is disturbing. If that's actually a gun, it is a very disturbing video. And why? If you go back to the video, you will notice that the car does not have a plate number. So imagine if something had gone wrong. How would they know the person that shot the boy? I don't know if you understand. Because if somebody is being you in your car and the person did not attack you, attempt to attack you, the person is even calling you boss. You can't come more peaceful. That means you self, you go through something, maybe stress. Because I don't understand why he actually had to pull out a pistol. Maybe he's going through something or he's stressed. And maybe that stress, just imagine say the stress, come make and carry that gun, shoot that boy. How they won't take no? How would they get justice for the boy? How they come? How would they get justice for that boy? Think about it now. They can't get plate number. So if for don't shoot the boy and they get police convoy, there's a police convoy or like a security close to his car. I am assuming that he's the one that is they are protecting him. So if they had maybe he had shot the boy, one of them can come down, can carry the evidence. Or carry the boy's phone. That's all. There's no plate number and you are holding a pistol that is not legal in Nigeria. This is scary. This is very disturbing. So I want to really know, Nigerian police, when did you start giving a license for pistol in the country? And again, Dr. Paul Adefarasin, if that's truly you, you know what you did in this video is assault. Well, I will not be surprised because in 2023, you were alleged to do something like this to a bus driver, where the driver hits your car, then you came down and then you threatened the driver, you break the glass, it even injure him. I remember that news vividly. Even Instablog and some blogs in Nigeria, they carried it to that period. For some reason, I don't know how that video was able to be cleared all over social media. So, okay, this is not the first time. As a pastor, it's not the first time that your name is coming up in a very weird news like this. That's number one. Number two, as a pastor, are you supposed to be carrying gun, considering what people preach? People preach that God will protect all of us. Now don't they go carry gun? Pray for protection. God is the Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, the omnipresence. He will be always there. Now don't they go back here and go the whole gun to protect on ourselves, even though it looked like you still had like a protection, like a security, a convoy. You still palm tools. This is very, very disturbing. Me, I'm just scared that people are now allowed to carry pistol in Nigeria. It is disturbing. It is really disturbing. Please, if you don't be allowed, I beg, Inspector General of Police, sir. If it is not legal, I need one. I need one, to be honest. Because I know they thought that they attack me. They attack me. Now God. Now God, now they protect me. And not just that, it's not even about myself. If it is legal, let us know. Make I carry all the money ready for NGO. Yes. I go beg everybody where contribute, say we are not going to do the school project again. The borehole project is being cancelled. We go buy tools, carry and go Benue, go give all those people where they buy for Benue. We go carry and go different states, Benue, Edo, Jos especially, Benue and Jos especially. We will go Ondo, we will go Taraba, we will go Bayelsa, we will go Enugu. All the places where they don't get affected by insecurity, we go share them there. Because the lives of people, they way more better than any borehole or any school I want to innovate for Nigeria. So we'll go pack all that money, use them, palm them. I'm pretty certain that if these people get their own tools, all these people, all these headsmen where they come attack their villages, themselves they go to fear. So is it not legal to carry firearms like pistol? I know shotgun, yes, they give license, but for pistol, come on. I beg, what's going on? Nigerian police, please, we need an investigation. Do an investigation, let's be sure. I beg, I dey fear like this. I dey fear, I beg. Gun care, pastor. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, you gonna learn. I beg, you will not learn. This one don't carry peace. Maybe they don't come go find me, say, you call it there, yeah, poa. Anyways, we fear nobody. We balance. God dey our back. Our baba strong die. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, go and learn, and you will learn the hard way. Police will be waiting for you. Please do your investigation. Thank you.
I want you to watch this video.
Boss. Sorry.
Because from the video, the guy just wanted a picture. We have car spotters across the world. I'm just coming in from London, where I was driving an SF90 Spider. That's a top-end Ferrari. And at every street corner, there were people who wanted to take pictures of the car or record videos of the car. Oh, Igbo people. I gave them a show. I blipped the throttle, and they laughed and took pictures. I don't understand what's the big deal if somebody records you driving your car. Now, me driving a convertible, top down, in Lagos, and area boys are hailing me, and I'm hailing them back. Most of these area boys have my phone number. Sometimes I just tell them, I'll see you later. They call me, I send them some money. It's not that serious unless there is something else, which I want to hear from the pastor's team. God bless.
You see, it is baffling, my people. It is baffling this is happening. But what do I know? This Nigerian Watch Media, join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about it. This is a 42 and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.